Hello guys, welcome to another unboxing. This one I've been looking forward to very much. Let's have a look what it is. Again, it's more art. They do decent stuff. Let's have a look what it is. I'm sure you probably guessed already. It is Exhibition Hall Mercedes-Benz store. Okay, let's see what you have with the contents. Okay, that goes there. That goes there. This one goes here. This one, I believe, goes there. This one goes here. I think I have to stick that there. Let's take that off. Let's make sure that is firmly stuck on. Let's get this door frame on. Line it up. Let's get this door frame on. Let's line it up. Taking the sticker off this sign. Be careful not to make sure it comes off all in one go. There you go. Alright, I'm going to line it up. Okay, Mercedes-Benz sign is on. Nice and straight. And let's get the AMG one on there. I think I'll put it down there. To the side, I think. Okay, how's that look? Ooh. Mercedes-AMG. Let's put this back on. We've got this partition where the cars are going to go. I might as well, I'm going to have to put some cars in there first. So there's the Mercedes garage, so of course I'm going to have to put Mercedes cars in it. So I've got this Majorette AMG set, let's dig into that. Got a black A35, we've got a CLE 53, a GT63, a GLC 63 and a SL 63. So here we go, this is the A35 in black, and does this the boot open? Yes, opening boot. All black A35. SL 63. Oh, top comes off. GLC 63. These are all the high-powered models. Does this open? The boot does, I think it does as well. Yep, opening boot as well. No, not the doors. CLE 53. This has opening doors. Not the boot. And a GT 63. And to add to that, we've got a G63 as well. It's got an opening boot. No, sorry, opening bonnet. It's not bad. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I like that. G-Wagon. And in addition, we have a AMG GTR. These are all Majorette. So there's an AMG GT, opening doors. It's got some good old suspension on there as well. Two, four, six, seven. We've got 7 models. Okay, you're right, I've positioned some cars in there and some figures, you can see. I've got to get the second floor in there as well and then put the ceiling up without wrecking everything. Alright, let's see how we go. Mission accomplished. 2 floors. Let's turn it around. Just to get a figure in there. Ta-da! Lovely, look at that. The Mercedes-AMG garage. I'm pretty happy with that. What do you think? I think we can add another Mercedes to that one. Green A35. Space for another one here. I just need to, this thing keeps falling off, so I'm going to have to glue that in.